Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Alex. I feel like today has been very productive so far. I got my Pilates class in, and today I just really want to focus on self-care. So doing a face mask, maybe shopping, doing a hobby that I haven't done in a long time. One of my biggest goals this year was to devote time to things that I love and not neglect that. So we're going to be doing a lot of that today, and I think it's going to be a good day. I think it is, and yeah, let's go ahead and jump into the vlog. Oh, I think I'm gonna go to my favorite thrift shop. I've really been thrifting a lot the past couple months, so I hope I find something good in there today. But we'll see. Let's do a super quick thrift haul. I was trying to be good today, so I didn't spend a lot, but I got this like green floral shirt. The hem of it is so pretty. I got this berry colored sweater. It has like buttons. I just think this would be super cute. I think I'm gonna head to my favorite cafe because this is a self-care day, so we're treating ourselves, right? Yeah, let's go ahead and head there. I am ready for a night full of self-care. I've got my robe on, I've got my comfy PJs, and I'm just excited to dive in.